fuck are you guys doing today? So today we're doing just a little routine maintenance. I found some stuff that's wrong and we're gonna switch something else that's been bothering me ever since I own this fucking truck and I don't fucking like it. So the first thing we gotta do is we found a fan belt, or this is the drive belt, so for the alternator and water pump. I'll kind of turn you around here and show you what it's going, kind of show you how to change one of these things. If you guys can see, hopefully you can. If not, sorry, but we're doing fan belt. Now, if you have a Peterbilt 389 with a Cummins in it, this is your belt part number right there. So it's D84-1006122310. I saw this thing the other day, so I had to get a belt ordered for it. To turn you guys around here. Alrighty, enhance. Ooh, too much. Alrighty, see this right here? This belt is cracked. Now, what does that mean? That means that this is gonna leave us stranded on the side of the fucking road, and we just gotta get this fixed before all hell breaks loose. Now, if you come over here, this is the belt that we are changing. This is the routing. So it comes over this, underneath the water pump, up over here, back down around the bottom pulley, and around. Now, what I'm hoping to do here, unenhance. Move you guys around over here. Now, this is pretty tight here. You can't really tell, but it's pretty fucking tight. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm hoping I don't have to take that whole radiator shroud off, but if not, we'll just get in here and start getting after it. So it's a 1/2-inch wrench, 1/2-inch fucking ratchet here to get this. Let's move this fucking piece of shit out of the way. 1/2-inch ratchet here. Let me get up in here. Oh boy, oh boy. So let's go ahead and pull this off. So that's that right there. Oh, that's not good. Okay, we'll just let that sit like that. And now you gotta pull the belt off the back side of this pulley here. A little tight. A little tight. All right, now we got a problem because we can't get that off. To get this out all perfect, we're gonna be able to slide it off without taking this belt off, without taking the shroud off. All right, now what we got to do is pull our wrench out. We need to go get I fucked that up. We need to go get something there. Get the old straight pry bar there. See if we can get this out of this fucking pulley. Jesus, come on. Not running into anything. Perfect. Set that over out of the way. Now what we got to do is figure out how to get this belt out of this pulley situation. So I think what we're going to do is we'll just walk this around like that. And we go around to the other side here. Yeah, this looks like loads of fun, don't it, people? So we'll get this just so we can get this wrapped all the way around Let me go to the other side. Fuck. Oh, come on. Alrighty, we got our belt off here. You can see that it was cracked down the inside, and we're missing some of that, so that's no good. So we got to figure out what I think we got going on here. It's exactly what I thought. All right. Okay, so what we need to do is get a pick, because there's a bunch of shit in the pulleys. Asphalt gets flung off the tires, and I think it gets stuck in there. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna get a pick and try to see if we can get this shit out of here. Yeah, that's what it is, just rocks and shit in there. There's some major belt material. Boy, this belt tastes like shit. Okay, I got some on the water pump here. This is the water pump pulley. What you don't want to have happen is have the belt come off. Okay. All right, we got that fixed. Now let's get our new belt. Okay, now the thing with the new belt is you got to get it wrapped around this fan again. So we'll see what we can do here. It's better if you go like this. These trucks get so much shit that gets in your goddamn way. You know, kind of a pain in the ass, if you ask me. But, you know, what are you gonna do? Okay, now that we got the belt all the way down and around there, now this is the tricky part, because this belt has to go over this, and do we want to come? Yeah, this is how we want to do it. And they don't give you come on. Not much room right down here. Also, I'm trying to film this, so I'm not trying to block you guys, but okay. So we got that down around there. Now all we got to do is get it centered. It comes around this water pump pulley. Comes down and around that water pump. All right, now what we got to do is get our socket wrench back in there so we can take the tension off this pulley. Oh boy. Going on is a lot better here. Let's see if we can move you guys around there. See, we got it looped around there. Now, what we got to do is shove this back in there. Oh, come on. Okay. All right. And there is our new belt installed. Not too bad. You can do this on the side of the road. I know I made this look professional. I am not. I am far from it, fellas. So, you know, now that we got that fan belt on there, let's go around and I'll show you what we got to do next. Okay, guys, this is something right here. This little switch. What this is this is fuel restricting valve right here. And ever since I owned this truck, no matter what it read from brand new, it always says that it's at 5 restriction. So I don't like that. I think it's aggravating. I think it's aggravating as fuck. We gotta go smaller. Fuck me. Let's see if this is 5/8. It's 5/8. All right, so this is 1 inch and 5/8. Let's pull this off. Now, it could just be the sensor. I really don't know. But I've had these sensors go out. Just to let you know, this is not broken, but it aggravates the shit out of me. So I kind of want it fixed, to be honest with you. Like, it's just one fucking fucked up thing. Oh my God. Then they paint every goddamn fucking thing after you put it together. Alrighty, so what this is just, you know, a restrictor. Blow that out. Here's our new one. Comes with thread locker already on it. Let's screw this down in there. Wrench it back down. Yeah, buddy. I'm telling you, I really like these right wrenches that I bought. End up using these more than anything else. Amazon, great find. But we'll just screw this down. You know what I'm saying? Get that tight because we don't want any fuel or air leaks. Okay, it's still going, great. You don't want to over tighten this. I feel like right there is good. Let's put our little thing on there. All right, now this thing, like I said, was 147 bucks, but I just wanted to see if it would fix it. So well, that's the two things. Let's go up in the cab and see if we got this fixed. Alrighty, crawl up in this motherfucker. So right there is where the fuel gauge is, and perfect. See how it's at like a 1? Before, this thing was at 6 all the time. It was aggravating. Alright, that seems to be fixed. That's at a 2. That should go back down to 0 once we change the fuel filter in a couple weeks. Alright, let's go make sure our fan belt's working. Perfect. Alrighty there, YouTube. That's how you replace a fan belt on a Peterbilt with an X15 Cummins. Really not that hard. Check those belts because that thing will leave you stranded on the side of the road. And if you have drivers out there, if they don't know that the belt throw off, you overheat one of these engines, it's 40,000 bucks to rebuild it because it'll turn it into pure fucking junk. And again, that's your problem, not Cummins, because that will not be covered under warranty, I guarantee you that. That fuel pressure thing, I just wanted to fix that just out of my own peace of mind. It's aggravated me since I've owned the truck, whatever. But like always, check out Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, all that bullshit. And like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.